Good morning, good morning. Welcome back. Uh, yesterday, yesterday was a strange morning. So we didn't take a trade yesterday. Nothing really presented itself. Wasn't too happy with the market conditions. So before we jump into the charts, we can have a little quick look where we are on Top Step dashboard. So you can see we're sitting at 51.6. So we're just over 50% to reaching our profit target. So hoping to get a trade off today, a profitable trade. And you can just see where we are here now. So yeah, we've got a nice little equity curve. We still got the 2,000 between us. So yeah, pretty happy with that. What we're going to do now, we flick over to the trading view chart and we will see if there's a trade we can take this morning. So Mandel's probably going to join us around 6:30 to share through some of the news. And we can see right now we've got a buy in, and let me quickly look at him. Yeah, I'm going to take that trade. I'm going to jump in that. But I'm going to lower the contract size, so if we do take a loss, it's only going to be $300. Sorry, I kind of want to check something else as well. Yes, I'm going to take that trade. Make sure everything's right for count. Yeah, we're jumping in a little bit early, to be honest, but just look at the M30 on the Forex chart. Yeah, we jumped a bit. Yeah, I think there's some volatility. I'm happy with that. Yeah, we've got a buy signal here. We've opened above the Heiken-Ashley, and we're also opening above the anchor that we WAP as well. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Take that. So let's just get this in here. So we've lowered the contract size on the account, so regardless what happens, I will finish the week profitable. And it is about capital preservation. So yeah, it's caught me a bit early actually. You know, I haven't given much time to get into the so for this trade, this reason why we really entered the trade, you've got a nice trend line here, going up. We've got the buy flag. We've broken through the Heiken-Ashley, and we came back, we retested, broken through again and opened above it again. And we're actually sitting above the VWAP as well. So yeah, I'm happy to take that buy. A little bit rushed this morning, but I've lowered the contract size, so whatever happens, we are going to finish the week in profit. So for the week, we're $600 in profit. And what I'm going to do is just put the GAN box in here. And as always, the reason for that, yeah, you can see my entry here on 0.5. My stop loss is 0. And once we get to 0.87, or if we get to 0.87, yeah, that I will move my stop loss to break even. So what I'm hoping to see is similar to here, what we've seen with the sell flag. So we broke low, we tested, and broke again, and then we had a nice push down. And I'm hoping to see the same here. So we've broken through, I can actually broke through the VWAP. So a nice trend line, upward trend line here. So I'm taking this buy. Okay, I've rumbled on long enough this morning. I'm having coffee regular. So yeah, we're in this trade, and hopefully we'll see Mandela at 6:30. So let's go. Happy trading. Yeah, not the best of starts. Now I've actually had even a better look at the chart. You can see we got the higher high, and we got the Asian high so far of 2695.5. So actually looking at the M5, we're actually looking down, right? So let me see if I can do Mandela's arrow here. So yeah, we got this. That's not right, Andrew. Let's try it again. Got this. This. Actually, we could be seeing this. Also checking an M30 Forex chart open as well, and looking on the M30, I'd say potentially we could be bullish here. Yeah, I think we might see a pullback. Hopefully, we won't see that pullback in the stop. We could see a push up to 26.9.5. That was my entry, so bit of an error from myself there. Looks like I've rushed into the trade, so I'm really glad I lowered the contract size. So for that, we're going to minimize the loss, and we are going to finish the week at least $1,000 in profit. So my target is $1,000 a week on a 50k account. So I'll be happy with that. So tidy this chart up. Right, I'll sit back, enjoy my coffee, and let's just watch it, see the trade plays out. Okay, so we're back to the entry price. Yeah, we've broken through that trend line that we drew in on the chart. Yeah, just looking at the M30, that gave me a bit of confirmation to enter the trade. But actually, when I zoomed out there, I was quite mindful that just looking at the M5, it does look in a downtrend. But we've broken that trend line, a nice positive bullish candle. So yeah, we're back to the entry price. And we'll let the price hopefully push up a bit more, and we'll swap over to the top step X chart. So yeah, just a reminder, we're $1,600 in profit for the week. So I've lowered the contract size, so for a $300 profit and stop loss. So regardless, this week we are going to finish in profit. I'm going to be very conservative and protect my capital. If we went down to $1,000, which is my target, my 50k account, we actually stop trading for the week. better. Just enjoying my double espresso. Don't know where I'd be without my coffee machine. First thing I go for in the morning. Yeah, the finest coffee beans, and yeah, it's just over a double espresso. I add a little bit of extra water. I suppose a mix between an Americano and double espresso, and really good. Does the job at this time in the morning. And no matter how early I go to bed, I just always be tired. So yeah, I'm looking forward to Mandela to go on the screen, a bit of energy on the show. Yeah, I'm looking forward to visiting Newsround again, so just find a reason to for. I'll just give us an idea what the market is needing to towards the end of the London session and when we open up in New York. We're happy right now. So the white line I just drew on the chart was the previous Asian high, and you can see we're starting to push to break that and set new highs. That's a good sign. We've got a nice strong bullish candle, and yeah, once we get to that point 7, I'll get our stop at the break even. And currently at the moment we're running 170 in profit, 180. So yeah, we're looking to get around 220 and get that stop into a nice break-even situation. So we're going to finish the day. It's going to be a quick trading session actually. We'll be finishing with $300 or at least $20 to $40. We're up to 190. So let me just share that with you guys. So yeah, here we are. You can see on the top step market 150. So 50% of the profit level so far. It's up to around 310, 320. We can get that stop loss and break even. You can see I've decided the VWAP on the chart. I'm not a VWAP trader per se, but I do like to use it. You can see the way the price, if we break above the VWAP, you can see we get some of the buyers in control, and when we break below it as well, you can see we get bearish confirmation. So I just use it for confirmation. I'm not trading it as such, but VWAP is something I am looking into very interested in trading VWAP. So there's some good books and some good courses on YouTube which I'm looking into, and I'll keep you updated on the progress. So I'm going to get a stop now into break even. Yeah, I'm happy with that trade. So here we go. So yeah, we've got to stop into $20. So it's not a lot, but yeah, whatever happens with this trade, we're going to hit or take profit, or we're going to break even, and we can wait for another position then to form. I'm hoping we can get a take profit here, and we will be done for this session. We'll wait for Mandela, and we'll finish off nice and early. Yes, this trade's looking favourable. Looks like we're going to hit or take profit. The only thing I am mindful of right now is the price on the M30 does seem to be running out of a little bit of steam. But we're just hoping we can get that final push up to that take profit level. So 230, 210 at the moment. So yeah, we're looking good. Trade caught us a little bit cold. As soon as we went live, it was time to jump in the trade. But we've done the analysis pretty quickly. So yeah, we had the buy flag here. You can see we retested the VWAP hike, and actually we broke above it. We took the trade. It was a good time to enter. Really, we opened above hike, we opened above the VWAP, and you see now we've been pushing new highs in the Asian session, or as we tail end of the Asian session. So yeah, looking good at the moment. 220. Like I said earlier, we're $600 up for the week. The profit target for the week account is $1,000. So we're going to finish. We should finish quite favorable this week. With the profit around $1,900. So pretty good going on a 50k account. So the next challenge will be 100k. We're just going to try and build by this express counter top step. And then we'll start trading with some real dollars. So yeah, like I said earlier, just looking at the M30 and the price, a little bit of steam. It's had a good push up on the previous M30 candle. We could see a little pullback here, but I'm just hoping we can just push up into that take profit, set a new high for the end of the Asian session. So yeah, we're going to watch this closely. Might just close the trade around $150. So yeah, we're just going to watch this price. I think we're up 210 at the moment. What are we looking to do if we take profit here after the next trade? We'll actually go on to gold minis. We're going to reduce the contract size again for any sell opportunities that come on a trade tomorrow. We're really looking at preserving capital this week. It looks like we're going to finish strong. Yes, we got gold. Having one final push on the M30, you can see that now. Got a real strong bullish handle on the M30 chart. So we should be looking at this take profit here on the M5 on gold futures. And I'm hoping we can hit the take profit around 6:30 just before Mandela joins.
Order filled.
Yes, finally we get the winner on the live stream. Excellent, happy with that. Yeah, great start to the day. So yeah, you can see we took a $300 profit. So it's 296 minus the commissions. So that's it. I am done for today. So it's going to be a nice short show for you guys. Yeah, Mandela's going to join us from 6:30. We're going to cover some of the news. Probably have a chat for 30 minutes. I'll take you through this trade. But great stuff. Yeah, happy with that. And it's great to get a winner on the live stream. So I've taken a few losses this week. And then when I've actually ended the stream, we've entered a few trades to taking profit. So yeah, it's good finally to get one on the live stream, and I look forward to seeing Mandela in about 4 minutes. So I'm just going to put myself on mute, just going to tidy up the charts, and then just wait to talk Mandela through it. Good morning.
Good morning, Andrew. How are you doing this morning?
I'm good. Welcome to the show. How are we?
We're good. We're actually doing really well this morning. The mic has been updated. The firmware on the microphone has already been updated. Is it sounding a little bit better today?
Yes, crystal clear. Welcome to the show. So we've had a good start this morning. So yeah, we'll be probably ending the stream around 7 o'clock. So we took a buy just after 6 o'clock. Caught me a little bit cold, I'll be quite honest, but we had some good indications to take the trade. Let me just run you through what we done this morning. So yeah, it was bang on 6 o'clock, so I was just firing up StreamYard, just sorting my headphones out, and we had a break above the Heikenhashi. So we had a buy flag here around 5:15. You can see the price just pulled back. It broke above the Heikenhashi. It also broke above the VWAP, and you can see if you get a price, sometimes if you get a break above VWAP, you can see the buyers are in control. You can also see here when you get a break below, you get the sellers in control. So we jumped in the trade here. Yeah, it ticked all the boxes. Looked at the M30 chart, we were also bullish on the M30 took the trade, and we reduced the contract size, but we took a $300 profit, and we started testing new highs here. So yeah, we had a good trade, a good push up, so quite happy with that. I'll just share top step next.
Nicely done. Very nicely done there.
Yeah, it was a little bit too early, right? It just did catch me a little bit by surprise, but yes, so what we got here, this chart's a little bit cleaner. You can see we just got the push up here, and we got the confirmation candle here. You can see them starting to break through. First of all, the VWAP from the previous session, which is in yellow, and then we got the VWAP and anchored VWAP probably the high. You can see the price broke above nicely, and we got the push up. So we took a $300 profit this morning, and for the week we're $1,900 up. So we're about 65% there of the challenge. It's been a tough week, and if you look down here, you can see the first trade of the week. I tried to hold on to it. We took a $1,400 loss. So at $600 wiggle room, but yeah, we managed to take 500 trade. So we got down to about $400 loss for the week, and we took another trade. We took a $600 loss. We went back to 1,000, and then we got some good movement. I think it was on Wednesday, Monday. We took $2,000 out. Then we took a $600 profit trade, and this morning we took 300. So we've had a really good week, and you can see that here. At the moment, the balance is sitting at 1,900. So yeah, we're potentially 3 trades away from past this challenge. So exciting times for us.
Very well done. Great trade this morning. Jumped right into the saddle and caught it very well. Very nice. Yeah.
Yes. So I'm quite happy. We've had a good week. Normally my profit would be about $1,000 on a 50k account. So yeah, we're punching well above our weight at the moment. So yeah, potentially I want to trade tomorrow, so there'll be no live stream tomorrow. Friday's always messy for me for some reason. I just don't get the price movement that I want. So yeah, probably gonna sit it out until Monday, give myself a bit of a lay-in or lay-on tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
And so it's been a good week. So with yourself, do you have any news for us?
Yes, it's always some news, Andrew. Always some news that's coming up.
Okay. Over to you.
Okay, let's have a look here at the news. Very nice transition. Okay, you can see my screen, I'm sure. Okay, so if we have a look for today, so we were waiting for today's news to kind of give us some direction or some indication of what's happening in markets. So the main news for today, if we look at the red houses, we had employment change out of Australia. That happened in the wee hours of the morning. And then if we scroll down here, we have Eurozone main refinancing rate and their monetary policy statement. That's at 1:15 London time. And then out of the US, the main one for today and for the week is the retail sales that are coming up. So I guess just being prepared for retail sales out of the US. I'm going to see if this feature works. No, it doesn't work. Okay. Retail sales out of the US, and let's see if this works. Yes, it works, Andrew. Okay, so this is the main news out of the US. Core retail sales. We have retail sales, and then we also have unemployment claims.
So we'd expect that to move the markets today, especially on gold if you trade in a lower time frame.
Absolutely, yes. I would expect gold to move on a lower time frame. Definitely be aware of it, and also, if you're unsure, then I would sit it out.
Yeah, that's why I like to trade between 6 and 8 a.m. Normally the news, especially US dollar news, doesn't really affect what I'm looking at, and so it's normally continuation of the trend that I'm trading. So that's why I like to sit it out. But I'll probably tune in later and just see how the news affects the chart.
Yeah, I'm just having a quick look. I agree, Andrew. It's not. I mean, sometimes people have the fear of missing out. I have the joy of missing out sometimes.
Well, definitely. Some people who watch the show, they're very good news traders. They understand the fundamentals, and I know they can drill into those folders and look at the expectation, what the forecast is, and they get some really good trades away. But for me, I always seem to be on the opposite side of the trade. When I was trading forex as well, I just noticed broker would adjust the spread for the news. So you'd enter and take profit price. Yeah, the spread would just take you out, right? Or you wouldn't hit to take profit. Yeah. So for myself, I like to sit the news out.
Yeah, you have to be very careful. And if the strategy that you're using right now, it seems like you're getting in well before the news even happens. So that's also a good way to play it, to just get in early.
Yeah, so just like with my measly $3 on the 50k account, just in and out, 30 points or 30 pips old money, and I'm happy with that. I'm not looking for these 5-to-1, 10-to-1 trades. For me, I like to trade 1-to-1, and as long as I'm right, 6 times out of 10. Really
I mean, it adds up. I mean, look at your week. Your week has been solid. That's a great week of gains, and you just keep chipping away, and before you know it, it's going to be finished.
Yes, the plan is to get this 50k to an express account. Once that's done, we'll do the 100k challenge and we'll stream that, and we'll keep going until we pass, and then we'll go to 150k, and then things get really interesting on the show where we start trading for real money. So looking forward to that. It's taking me a little bit longer than I'd like, and I have blown a few accounts, but I've just been a little bit reckless on the trades. But the great thing about Top Step is it's 50k chance for futures, and it's only $49. Okay, $49 is a lot of money, but compare that to a prop win like TMO, 5% does, Goat Funded Challenge. There's a couple of $100 ago, so there's a massive difference there. So I'm quite happy to burn my way through 3 or 4 accounts, and it's still cheaper than a forex prop firm. So that's what I really like about Top Step as well. I think it's a great opportunity, and also I'm seeing Top Step traders getting paid. More importantly,
that's the most important thing. seeing traders that are actually getting paid, and they just seem to be responsive. They seem to be very professional, and that's what you want with a prop firm.
Yeah, no, I agree. And then what the plan is, once I can get maxed with Top Step, to get back into the Forex and get with FTMO, which I know you're trading with, and you've been paid.
Yes, I got paid. It was surreal, Andrew. Like, I got my first payment and I was like, okay, well, let's see if it really does come to my account. It was within a few hours. It was incredible. Yeah, it was incredible, Andrew. So also you get the refund back. You receive your refund.
That's nice then.
Yeah,
so,
it was not. Yeah, it was like a little bonus.
All that hard work, all that effort there, you get a little bonus with the payment as well. So it's really good.
Yeah, it's a good feeling.
I just find on the Forex prop challenges, you just have to be a little bit more patient. I know you've been very patient, working with FTMO, but it's worth it in the end, right?
Yeah, it is. It absolutely is, and I would encourage anybody who either doesn't want to use their own capital or at this time isn't able to just try a prop firm, because it gives you that flexibility, it gives you that freedom.
Yeah. So with myself and Forex prop firms, I just find the patient side of things. Yeah, and I've said a few times on the stream, I've actually missed the patience because of the lack of it. I actually received a sticker this morning, the angry guy from Inside Out.
Oh yes.
Yeah, I haven't seen the movie, but apparently it's me. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah, that's a fun. He's the red guy.
He's the red guy.
Yeah. Yeah, well, when it comes to trading, I mean, you've been surprising yourself, I'm sure.
Yeah, so it's definitely helped me with patience and discipline, for sure. And yeah, that's a nice chart of gold.
Yeah, I have. I just wanted to highlight this all-time high right here. So this is the all-time high in gold that we hit way back in the end of September. So I mean, it's just also if we do get up here, we could potentially test this all-time high. So I would definitely keep an eye on that. This is the Asian.
Yeah, we got a nice lower high. You can see that green bar as well. Yeah,
this one?
Right there. And that's right, my trend line from this morning.
Yeah, that's a good one. It's a very good level.
If it's just maybe retesting around 260.79 before we push up and break that all-time high. So I would be surprised to see gold, break through that level. Yeah,
it could be a very good day. And just going back to the news, I think this may be what gets us there. If you are trading or if you're watching later on. Interesting to see at around 130 whether or not we've gotten to that all-time high. The main ones, initial jobless claims and then retail sales. Those are the two main ones for this morning.
I can book myself in for a bit of lunch around 1:30. I'll probably drop you a message if you're free. Maybe we do a little pre-market show, actually watch the news come in, so we'll get the popcorn, watch the price.
That'll be good. Good.
So I don't have too much for this morning. I think we went through all the coffee, tea, Welsh water yesterday.
Oh man, I wanted to mention the tea I have it's a Waitrose peppermint, nettle, and ginkgo infusion. I was excited to say that, Andrew. It's a Waitrose brand, Waitrose and Partners, and the flavors are peppermint, nettle, ginkgo, and infusion. Ginkgo infusion. And the slogan says a refreshing and uplifting infusion with warming ginger notes.
I haven't seen you in a while, but when we do catch up, I'm not going to be dressed up in one of these southern hippies, Where's the caffeine?
I'm trying to be good. I'm trying
The
to be
visions
good.
of you like in bleached out beach clothes, you know, CND sign on you, and the bomb. Yeah, you just caught me with my double espresso, my cross between double espresso and Americano.
Oh, nice.
No sugar.
Yeah, that's a nice little hit, nice little booster.
Yeah, I always end up peaking at around 6 p.m. So around 6 p.m. I'm just ready for a quick power hour, and yeah, I'm probably finished around then. But, yeah, I'll probably get another espresso in now around 9 a.m. But yeah, for me it's just whole bean, the strongest bean money can buy. Yeah, freshly ground and steamed into my cup. Yeah, I do like a good coffee. We're talking coffee. I think I'm going to treat myself for Christmas, and it's called Civet Coffee. Have you heard of that?
It's called, what's the name one more time?
I'm pretty sure it's called Civet Coffee. And Civet's like a little small animal, it's like a little cat or something that lives in the Amazon rainforest. It actually eats the coffee bean, and then it poops them out. And apparently it's this unique taste, but not of shit. You know, apparently it's a really, really good coffee bean. So yeah. So
Yeah, I want to try that. I want to try that.
Yeah, because apparently it's the most expensive coffee bean you can buy. It's like the other coffee. So yeah, I might give that a go. So at the moment, yeah, I'm on the max roasted, max strength coffee. Yes, great.
And I'm thinking your tolerance is probably going to be really high. So you need to have something that's going to be really, really strong in order for you to...
Probably. Yeah, I need something to get going in the morning. So, yeah, probably. Yeah, coffee.
So that's it.
Go on, sorry. Yeah, so for those watching, we do trade, but we also like not coffee and tea.
We don't just trade.
So yeah, so coffee's done. I've just had the vitamin C. Just off we go. I just do wonder if the double espresso cancels out the vitamins in the morning. So maybe I need to go to the time of the vitamin supplements. But yeah. So what have we got going on today, Mandela? What's the plan?
You know what I might do is just I might as well share it.
Why not?
Here we go. Why not is right. So we have here a chart of the S&P overnight, and see if I can. I'm still here. All right. I think my internet just wanted a bit of a pause. So if we have, actually what we'll do is have a quick look at the S&P yesterday. All right, so this was yesterday's S&P price moves. And what we interestingly got yesterday, we got a pullback, Andrew, like we had been monitoring. So from the lows of the morning to the high, initial high here, came back to around the 71, 78%, 78.6.
Can you see now why we changed the name to Fibonacci? You get it?
Yeah, Fibonacci. Yeah, I forgot about that. we hadn't gone public with it yet. I guess we can go public.
Yeah,
now
that's the announcement, right?
Yeah. So we're using the Fibonacci and Aeronomics.
Aeronomics and Fibonacci. I think that's just great names, and nobody's going to get it, but why not?
Yeah, I get it. So just looking at a quick Fibonacci, as Andrew would
I think your internet's dipping in and out. Yeah, you need to get some coffee beans up to London for that internet provider. Or you can give them some of the finest Waitrose tea. So while we wait for Mandela to come back on, he's with us.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I think it's my internet. Okay, you can hear me okay now?
Yeah, you're back.
All right, perfect. So with the Fibonacci, just wanted to quickly go through yesterday's move and how we would break it down. So first things first, we would have had a very, very quick start. So this would have been the start of the day right here. This was the previous day's close. And then we get the first 5 minutes right here. Actually, let's see here. First 5 minute opening range is here. And then we hit a low, came down here. And that's where we start. We would start the Fibonacci here. And then price moved up nicely. We got a very nice move on the Fibonacci up here. And we would probably say this was the morning high. So we did a Fibonacci from here to here. And then we got the pullback right there. And that ends up being 78.6. So yeah, that's been the pattern that we've seen. Sometimes we pull back to the 50. So the 50's here.
Yeah, so a lot of people you will enter around the fit. Here we go, the 50 Fibonacci. The more.
All right, I think something's up with my. I don't think this is working. Anyway, let's see if let's just look at this morning. So this morning we've got this Asian range that's presented itself. So if we go back here, and I am still using, because all my data is set up with the Bermuda timeline. I use the Bermuda time frame for all my data. So I keep the Bermuda time frame down here. I know it's confusing.
Yeah, but I understand you've got to trade to what you're used to. It's like I said, when I was in South America, for me it's easier to just keep the UK times. That's what my mind, has been programmed to follow. I tried to change over to the US times, and it just threw me out.
Yeah, that's it.
Couldn't catch a winner at all. So
that's exactly it.
So just stop trading until I go back to the UK.
Yeah. Sometimes you just have to go with what works.
And with what you know, right?
It's comfortable. Yeah.
So it's just you can see it's got a nice pinball there. And what you're going to be looking at is a breakout above the Asian high, right? And then maybe a pullback to the 50 or 72 level.
Yep, that's it. So the Fibonacci's are based on, if we zoom out just a tad, so we did the Fibonacci's based on the high and the low. So the all-time high was hit here on Monday, and then we came down here was the lowest point hit on Tuesday, and that gives us these Fibonacci. I keep wanting to say Fibonacci. I need to
go with it. We're going to trademark that.
All right. So just looking at scenarios for today. Usually I'll put a little alert at the pre-market low or Asian low. So I'll get a little ding on the phone if I'm making breakfast or something, and it'll just tell me prices move down lower. There we go. And then this one, I'll do a alert here, and it will just tell me that we're breaking out of the Asian range. That's one way to not be glued to your phone. I find sometimes, especially if you're in a trade, it's hard to look away. So,
I'm definitely guilty of that, especially when I'm in a trade. There's nothing you can do, right? But you just like wishing the price away. We go, come on.
Yeah.
So definitely guilty of that. But yeah, it's
The
good.
alerts.
Yes, trading is great. You know what you can do with it. You know, with alerts. So many alerts, right? Not just price. You know, you can if you've got your indicators on your chart, you can just right click. You can set your alerts. So yeah, it's really good. So today you're probably going to be looking to go long, I would have thought, right?
Yes. So like this is a very good sign here.
Yeah.
That there's some buyers. There's still early days, but I find around 7 o'clock we start to get some action happening. So we'll see. I think if we are able to make it up to this Asian high, Andrew, this was the Asian high.
Yeah.
I would look for just a small little pullback off of that. And then, yes, as you said, if we can break above the Asian high, that would be a great opportunity here. I would look to try and get in maybe somewhere like here on that breakout.
But you wouldn't enter on the breakout. You would wait for a pullback. Is that correct?
Yeah. So I would wait for this pullback. So I wouldn't enter here because there is a possibility that in this first time we go up, we kind of get up a little bit. I won't trade that one. I would trade the next one.
And your stop, then you'd be looking when you stop just below the Asian low, or would you be just looking at putting it like maybe one of the fib levels?
I would probably put it here. Yeah, I would.
Right.
I wouldn't want to go too far. But yeah, stop loss would be somewhere like here. We'll stop.
Yeah, no, that's great. I'm just watching the Forex gold now, and may take a trade in Forex calculator. But yeah, we're just looking to test that Asian high from today. So yeah, I might look at that, but I might actually use a Fibonacci level.
Can you not say that? I can't take you seriously.
No, it's stuck now. It's rather Fibonacci king, so yeah, we're away with it.
Yeah, I think this all-time high is going to get tested today. I mean, we're not far. I don't know what it is on the futures. Actually, what's the futures current price right now?
So the same price is 2699.
Okay, 99. All right, so you guys are right at almost at 2700.
Yeah, so today's showed me a pattern actually hit 27. So we're just gonna resist supply level at 2702.
Okay. Right. So that means I would venture to guess that the all-time high on the futures is somewhere around 27, just above 27.
So yeah,
and it would have been September 26th or somewhere around there. That's the all-time high I have. Yeah, it looks like it wants to push through.
I think it is. Yeah. So, yeah, it's just on a messy M30 futures chart now, and yeah, it's looking bullish for today. But then that news can push the price down, right?
It could. It definitely could. Yeah, that news that we were looking at earlier at 130 could definitely do just that.
Right. No. Yeah, that's great. I'll catch up with you later.
Okay.
Probably gonna, unless you want to carry on, I'm gonna jump off. Probably end the stream. Unless you
go for it. No, that's it. I think we'll take a extended weekend break. So I'm guessing back. Actually, are you on next week?
Yeah, I'm not traveling till Wednesday or Thursday next week. I'm just confirming some flights today. But,
okay.
I'm just trying to check the prices. Are a little bit expensive at the moment to get myself over to Kazakhstan, but yeah, I'll jump on their website, see if I can get some favourable prices to get myself out there. So
nice.
Yeah, but I'll keep you updated on what the travel plans are for next week as well.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good. I'm thinking to do the show with you before you go, and then while you are traveling, possibly do a later show closer to 2 o'clock.
yeah, that'll be great. More momentum going and just show people what potentially watching and enter. So yeah, with gold on the M30s, yes, just run up a little bit of steam. Potentially we could see a pullback before we push through our Asian high. So I'll catch up with you throughout the day. And yeah, thanks for joining, and may see you tomorrow. We'll see how we feel, right?
All right, that sounds good. Thanks, Andrew.
Thanks, Mandela. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.
Bye.